You Need a Budget, or YNAB, is built around a simple philosophy: give every dollar a job. Plan for big expenses and eventually get to the point where you're paying this month's bills with last month's income. At $40.99 a month or $109 a year, it's not cheap. But you do get a 34-day free trial, student access for a year, and you can share one account with up to 5 people. So what's good? YNAB's zero-based budgeting system helps users save an average of $600 in the first 2 months. It syncs across devices, includes live workshops, and has an active community that makes learning the method easier. The downsides: there's a steep learning curve, and some international users complain about poor bank syncing. Plus, $109 a year feels high if you're looking for something more automated. YNAB encourages manual tracking to keep you mindful. Bottom line, if you want to get your hands on with your money and break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, YNAB is worth it. But if you'd rather have a passive, cheaper tracker, there are better options.